Welcome to day 2 multiplication table trick. Today we are going to learn the table tricks of 2, 3 and 4. Trick of multiplying by 2 is just nothing but doubling the numbers. 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is nothing but doubling of 4, that is 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. One more example. 7 multiplied by 2 is nothing but double of 7, that is 7 plus 7 equal to 14. So 7 2s are 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Let's see multiplication table trick of 3 or trick of multiplying by 3. 7 multiplied by 3. Multiplying by 3 or the trick of multiplication table 3 is just nothing but double the number and then add with the original number. Means double the number, double the 7. Double of 7 is 14 and then add 7 is 21. So 7 multiplied by 2, 21. Let's try another number. 5 multiplied by 3. Double of 5 is 10. Add 5 to number 10. So the answer is 15. 5 3s are or 3 5s are is 15. Now let's see the multiplication table trick of 4 or multiplying by 4. Just like multiplying by 2, just you have to do doubling twice. 6 multiplied by 4. First you have to multiply by 2. Do the double of 6. Doing with showing you detailedly. So it is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Now again multiply by 2. 12 multiplied by 2, or you can double the 12. I am taking 12 over here and multiplying by 2 again. So the answer will be 24. 6 4s are 24. 9 4s are. Double of 9 is 18. Double of 18 is 36. So the answer is 36. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. Now you have seen the multiplication table tricks of 2, 3 and 4. 24 multiplied by 2, 12 multiplied by 3, 7 multiplied by 4. Comment your answers using the same trick. To know such more things, stay tuned. Till then, bye.